A tour of Schönbrunn Palace, Austria's imperial treasure, the jewel of Vienna. Nestled in the vibrant city of Vienna, Schönbrunn Palace stands as an enduring symbol of Austria's opulent imperial history. This UNESCO World Heritage Site attracts millions of visitors each year, drawn by its majestic architecture, sprawling gardens, and the legacy of the Habsburg dynasty. Often compared to France's Palace of Versailles, Schönbrunn Palace is a masterpiece that offers an immersive journey into the grandeur of European royalty. This detailed guide will explore the palace's history, architecture, interiors, gardens, cultural significance, and practical tips for an unforgettable visit. Historical overview of Schönbrunn Palace. The story of Schönbrunn Palace begins in the 16th century, when the area was a modest hunting ground for Holy Roman Emperor Maximilian II. The site was later transformed into a summer residence by Emperor Leopold I in the late 17th century. His vision was to create a palace that rivaled the grandeur of Versailles, showcasing the power and prestige of the Habsburg Empire. In 1740, Maria Theresa, one of Austria's most influential rulers, inherited the palace. She significantly expanded and enhanced it, making it the political and cultural heart of the empire. Under her guidance, Schönbrunn became a hub for diplomacy, art, and innovation. The Congress of Vienna, held in 1815, was hosted here, marking a pivotal moment in European history. The palace remained a royal residence until the fall of the Habsburg monarchy in 1918. Today, it stands as a museum and a testament to Austria's rich heritage, offering visitors a glimpse into the lives of its former rulers. Architectural marvel. Schönbrunn Palace's architecture is a stunning example of Baroque and Rococo styles. Designed by Johann Bernhard Fischer von Erlach and later refined by his son, Johann Emanuel, the palace's golden yellow facade exudes warmth and grandeur. The symmetry of its design reflects the meticulous planning characteristic of the Baroque era. The central structure features a grand entrance, flanked by two wings that house numerous rooms and halls. The intricate stucco work, elaborate frescoes, and gilded accents within the palace are a testament to the artistic excellence of the period. The architect's ability to balance opulence with elegance makes Schönbrunn a timeless masterpiece. Inside the palace, a glimpse into royal life. The interiors of Schönbrunn Palace provide a fascinating window into the lives of the Habsburg monarchs. Of the 1,441 rooms in the palace, 40 are open to the public, each showcasing the luxurious lifestyle of its former residents. The Great Gallery. This magnificent hall, measuring 40 meters in length, is adorned with crystal chandeliers, gilded mirrors, and ceiling frescoes depicting allegorical scenes. It was used for grand banquets, balls, and other state functions, reflecting the opulence of the Habsburg court. The Mirror Room. A highlight of the palace's interior, the Mirror Room holds historical significance as the venue where a young Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart performed for Empress Maria Theresa. The room's ornate mirrors and Rococo decorations create a sense of infinite space and light. The Blue Chinese Salon. This room is a testament to the 18th century European fascination with Asian art and culture. Its walls are adorned with delicate Chinese wallpaper, and the furnishings include lacquered tables and chairs. The salon served as a private meeting space for the royal family. The Imperial Bedrooms. The personal chambers of Emperor Franz Joseph and Empress Elizabeth, CC, offer insight into their contrasting lives. Franz Joseph's modest bedroom reflects his disciplined lifestyle, while CC's suite showcases her love for luxury and beauty. The Gardens, a paradise of nature and art. The gardens of Schönbrunn Palace are an integral part of its charm, spanning over 500 acres. Designed in the formal French style by Jean Trihet, the gardens are a harmonious blend of nature and art, with meticulously manicured lawns, flower beds, and sculptures. The Neptune Fountain. Located at the foot of the Gloriette Hill, this magnificent fountain depicts Neptune, the Roman god of the sea, surrounded by mythological figures. It symbolizes the Habsburgs' dominion over the world. The Gloriette. A neoclassical pavilion situated atop a hill, the Gloriette offers breathtaking panoramic views of the palace and the city of Vienna. It was originally used as a dining and celebration hall and now houses a cafe. The Maze and Labyrinth. This playful attraction is perfect for visitors of all ages. The maze features winding paths that lead to a viewing platform, while the labyrinth includes interactive features such as a kaleidoscope and climbing poles. The Orangery. Once used to house exotic plants during the winter, the Orangery is now a venue for concerts and cultural events. It showcases the Habsburgs' appreciation for botany and architecture. Schönbrunn Zoo, the oldest in the world. Established in 1752, Schönbrunn Zoo is the world's oldest continuously operating zoo. It was initially created as an imperial menagerie and has since evolved into a modern zoological park dedicated to conservation and education. The zoo is home to over 700 species, including giant pandas, polar bears, and elephants, making it a favorite attraction for families. Practical tips for visitors. Tickets and tours. It is advisable to purchase tickets online to avoid long queues. Guided tours are available in multiple languages and provide valuable insights into the palace's history and architecture. Best time to visit. Spring and early autumn offer the most pleasant weather for exploring the gardens. Winter visitors can enjoy the festive atmosphere of the Christmas market. Accessibility. The palace is wheelchair accessible, with ramps and elevators available for visitors with mobility challenges. Nearby attractions. Combine your visit with other Viennese landmarks such as the Belvedere Palace, St. Stephen's Cathedral, and the Habsburg Imperial Palace. Conclusion: a timeless experience. Schönbrunn Palace is a living testament to Austria's imperial legacy and cultural richness. Its breathtaking architecture, opulent interiors, and enchanting gardens make it a must-visit destination for travelers. Whether you are a history enthusiast, an art lover, or a casual tourist, the palace offers an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Vienna's grandeur. Immerse yourself in the splendor of Schönbrunn Palace and take home memories of a journey through time and art.